Right, so ingredients for pad thai. So we have some flat rice noodles already pre-cooked. We've got bean sprouts, onions, lemon. We have the tamarind, fish sauce, and brown sugar sauce. We have some peanuts, spring onions. We have some coriander. We have red pepper, carrots, shredded cooked chicken, some more coriander for garnish. And over here we've got the kids just beating the eggs with a bit of the soy sauce, and I've got a hot wok here ready to go in. We've got some oil. So we've got egg which we have just put soy sauce in. And that's it. So now we're going to take this off and keep it aside. Oil. Right. So we have Chef Run making. We're going to chuck in the carrots, capsicums, traditionally pad thai doesn't get all of these ingredients, but we've just done it just to add the veggies. We have cooked chickens gone in now. Here, chuck in the noodles. Now we will bean sprouts in. And now we just toss it all. Wait for the noodles to sort of just heat up really well. And yeah, we'll be ready to serve. Right, so we've tossed everything through. Added a bit more soy sauce. Then we've added the crushed peanuts. Just make sure you don't add too much salt, and I've added more fish sauce. The wok was nice and hot, and I've added some chili flakes in here as well, just to give it that spice. And we're going to garnish this with some lemon juice, crushed peanuts, and some coriander, and we are going to be ready to serve.